I don't know if I can do this without crying, guys, but um, I just have an amazing team of people here that I can depend on. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I just, oh,
It's a lot.
to the students, you guys push me to be a better person every day, to be a better example for you. Oh, gosh. To my coworkers, colleagues, I can't do it without you guys. So I appreciate you guys and what everything you guys do for us and just what you guys do for our kids here. I look at some of my former students over here, and I can't even look at them because I'm crying. But I just thank you guys, and I hope you always know that I'm always here for you. 8th grade, when you guys go over to high school, I'm still here for you guys too. Um, I just, I just do this job to help you guys out and help you guys achieve your dreams.